One day, a man came to Mulla Nasruddin seeking advice. "Mullah, I'm miserable. My house is too small for my large family, and we're always fighting. What should I do?" Nasruddin thought for a moment and said, "Do you have a goat?" The man was puzzled but replied, "Yes, I do." Mullah said, "Good. Take the goat inside your house and keep it there for a week." The man was shocked but trusted Mullah's wisdom. He brought the goat inside. A week later, he returned, looking even more distressed. "Mullah, it's horrible. The goat has made everything worse. It's noisy, smelly, and eating everything." Nasruddin nodded and said, "Now, take the goat out." The man obeyed and returned a few days later, beaming with joy. "Mullah, it's a miracle. The house feels so spacious and peaceful now." Nasruddin smiled and replied, "Sometimes, to appreciate what you have, you just need a little chaos." Gratitude often comes from perspective. Appreciate what you have before you lose it.